Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix 3E error on Samsung washer. So guys, 3E refers to a motor related issues. So first one is of course turn off the washer and unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the motor and clear temporary errors. Now, sometimes overloading can cause 3E error, so just simply remove excess laundry and try a smaller or balanced load. Another one is check for drum obstruction, so manually rotate the drum to ensure that it spins freely and remove anything that may be jammed inside. Now, just simply plug the washer back in and run a rinse or spin cycle with no clothes to see if the error returns. Now, if it doesn't, if the error still occurs, contact the Samsung support or a qualified technician to repair this issue. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.